makeup. So I got new makeup and we just gonna get right into it because it's a new year and I know that I needed new makeup. So I got all new products and I've actually never used them before. So this is like low-key, we're doing this together. To start, I am gonna use my Magic Eraser Dark Spot Cream because as y'all can see, as y'all can see, I have a major zit that decided to pop up. I'm just putting the Magic Eraser where there's any hyperpigmentation because this stuff wears very well under makeup. So I like to wear this all day. So if I don't have makeup on, I still wear it during the day. But if I have makeup on, I like it better because then I'm not like getting it anywhere because this stuff does stain. But if you haven't seen my review on this line, I would definitely leave that one of these corners up here. But this stuff is Major Key. And yes, hello. Danessa Myricks Beauty blurring powder in the color number 7. And from what I've seen, you could wear this powder with your foundation or alone. All right, yeah. Anytime I start with new makeup, I get nervous. So just bear with me. All right, her packaging is so cute, by the way, but I'm gonna use her little scooper and I'm just gonna put it on my hand. Ooh, it's creamy. I got my handy dandy beauty blender and I'm just gonna, ooh, this is like, okay, this is like the perfect shade. I was so nervous that she didn't pick the right shade for me because online, the girl who was wearing a number 7, it looked like she was way lighter than me. But no, this is perfect. So, oh wow. Yeah, this just literally blends right in. Wow. Wow, new makeup, new makeup, new makeup, go. New makeup, go. Okay, sorry, I'm excited. It is so easy. It just like literally just blends right in. I've been trying to like keep my freckles out on my nose, so that's why I haven't been putting foundation on my nose as much. Now my forehead is way darker, as you can see. Well, not way darker, but it is darker than the rest of my face. So I usually don't go all the way up because I usually just use contour. Now I do have hyperpigmentation down here, so I'm just trying to like cover that. Oh yeah, it's buildable. Look at that. And this is like super lightweight. I actually don't even feel this on my skin. Oh my God, I'm so late to these products. Wow. But y'all, let me find out. I've been missing out. I'm gonna be using my Makiage Beep I'm Flawless concealer in 13.5. I don't know what that is. One of our neighbors. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I'm gonna use this to highlight under my eyes. And then my Laura Mercier A powder in the color Translucent Honey to set it. Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder in the color Flushed and Golden Hour. I'm gonna be using this as my blush. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Oh, this is about to be my summer color. I'm gonna use it today though because it's a sunny day, so we're gonna act like a summer because that's what we better do. You guys know that this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer is my favorite bronzer ever. This is her 1.0 Yummy Skin Brush. I'm actually gonna use this for the golden hour. And it looks like this is like a cream as well. So I'm just gonna, ooh, child. It is pigmented. You see that? Okay. That's fine. We're just gonna blend it out. Blend it out. Get some off the brush. Blend it out. Blend it out. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Maybe putting a little bit on my nose because I like the little, it's cold outside effect. Like the, what's that J-Lo video? With LL Cool J, and she got the little, you know, pink nose. Yeah, that's a little blush trick just to look like it's a little cold outside. I do that. Lips, what are we doing for lips today? I think I'm just gonna do some glossy lips today. So this is just a regular brown pencil. The company is not in business anymore, so it's just a regular brown. And then I'm just using this Makiage clear gloss. Their lip service high shine lip glaze. Ooh. I also decided that I'm gonna add some smoke under my eyes, so I'm gonna use my contour powder. Just put it on my lower lashes, because I think I'm gonna do some eyeliner today. All right, so I just put my lashes on. I have her line work in the color Onyx. I'm just gonna do some wing liner. All right, this has been through some things, but I'm just gonna spray myself with the Mario Badescu green tea spray. But now I'm gonna go put my outfit on and put some jewelry on, and that ties everything together. So give me a second. So I hope you guys enjoyed my everyday makeup tutorial with my new makeup. I'm so excited I have new makeup finally. I hope you have a beautiful day or night, whatever time it is. Definitely check the description box for links of all the products used. And yeah, I'll see you lovelies later. Bye.